I'm going to show you how to reverse park into a bay. The method I'm going to use is called 90 degrees method, and I'm going to reverse park into a bay on my right side. I count up to 3 bays. From the bay I want to reverse into, that's where I start counting. So I'm going to reverse into a bay with the white paper on the floor. There's a bay with the white paper on the floor, so I count from that bay. Because that bay literally lining up with my shoulder, right? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. I'm in first gear already, so I roll forward. I need to stop in the bay, in the third bay on my right side, and then I'm going to reverse into the bay on my right side. So the first bay I started counting, I'm going to reverse into that bay. So I'm going to roll forward until I stop in the third bay. Alright, I'm going to line up back of my handle, my door handle, with the last line of the third bay. Now, to be accurate with this, I need to lean forward as I'm lining up with the back of my door handle. I'm happy there. So I need to see where, because if I sit normal, I might not actually get this reference right. So I've just leaned forward, so I'm happy with this. What do I do now? I drop into reverse gear. Alright, as always, do your 6-point checks before we go in, because I'm going to reverse to the right. So I'll start with my left, counting from my left, and then I'll finish on my right. So that's 1, that's 2 there. Alright, that's 3, my center mirror, my back window, that's 4 here, and that's 5 and 6. This back of my seatbelt here. So I'm happy with this. My signal is already going. I need to do full lock before I start going. Alright, so remember to do your full lock. Now last look again and let the car start rolling. I'm happy with this. All I need to do now is to keep checking around me as the car is reversing. I need to just keep checking and watch the car reverse back. I need to keep checking. I'm watching those little the lines on the bay. Once I see my car lining up with the lines up in the bay, I need to straighten up the cars. I'm happy there. I need to straighten up my tires, and I check my mirrors again, check my 6-point checks. I'm happy. I continue to reverse back until it feels like my wing mirrors are sitting inside the lines. I'm happy there. It looks like my wing mirrors are now sitting inside the end of the white lines, so my wing mirror should come and sit inside. I'm happy there. Secure the car, handbrake on first, drop into neutral gear. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've learned how to reverse park into a bay. This method, I think, is one of the easiest ones. We call it 90 degrees method. If anything was not clear for you, please drop a comment below. Remember to like, to share, and to subscribe.